In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Teams app crashing on your phone. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Switch between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data. Always try opening a website or another app just to check it, or you can reset your router if using Wi-Fi. The other thing you want to do is force close your application. Just go to the recent apps and swipe Teams away and open it again. If you're still facing the problem, then you want to simply go ahead and restart your phone by pressing and holding the power button and tapping on reset or restart, and then open Teams and check again. Your application might also have a pending update. Simply go ahead and head to your Play Store or App Store based on the device you're using and search for Microsoft Teams and update it. If you're using Android, simply go ahead and clear the cache by going into settings, apps, Teams, storage, and clear cache. If you're on an iPhone, simply go ahead and uninstall and reinstall the application. You can also update your phone's OS if it still needs update. Always check storage space and disable any kind of battery optimization if you have it enabled. If nothing works, simply try uninstalling and reinstalling it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.